once again, bro, I think we're at that point now. I think we might be at that point. It might be safe to say, or maybe we need a few more weeks. Yeah, man, we are now at the point in time where pandas are just available for you, him, and her. Whoever wants a panda dunk, you might be able to find it now. You might be able to find it like you would at Air Force One. I mean, maybe I'm jumping out the gun. Maybe next month that'll be safe to say. But from what I've seen over the last couple weeks, um, pandas is chilling. I've seen men's pandas on the shelves, women's pandas on the shelves, grade schools on the shelf. You walk into the store, a panda on the front desk by the register. It stays there the whole day. See it on the shelf amongst other shoes. It's just chilling there. People look at it, oh wow, and put it back down. Look on to something else. This is insane. I mean, not I was gonna say in LA, but everywhere. Everybody knew what the Panda Dunk did, how everybody became a reseller because of the Panda Dunk. I've done videos. There's plenty of videos on YouTube of people doing things for Panda Dunks. Like I didn't do nothing for Panda Dunks. What I mean for me was I go to a video. There's a video when I was at the Grove. I was there, got in line. I wasn't number one at all, so I wasn't. That's not the story. I was like number 10 or 15. But like I got there thinking like shit, I'm number 15. Hopefully I'll get some, right? I'm just focused on the line in front of me. I'm just chilling out, waiting to see what's happening. 2 minutes later, I look behind me. There's like maybe 5 to 10 people behind me, and I still see people running up. I'm like, damn, this is crazy. Then I'm just chilling. I'm still talking to people in the line. I'm not paying attention to what's behind me. They come out the store and be like, all right, we sold out. And the crowd dispersed. And when I come like away from the wall to like start talking and I look back, the line went so down, far down the Grove. I was like, what? Or no, this was the Grove. It was at the Americana and Glendale. It was so many people lined up for the Pandas. I'm like, there's no way number 99 thought he was gonna get a pair from Foot Locker here on a small restock. Like it's crazy how people were going nuts for that shoe. Now you can find them everywhere just chilling. And it was a good run. Nike said what they said. Maybe Nike did what they did, or it was just the economy, or maybe it was a combination of both. What Nike did and the economy. And what I mean by what Nike did, they said they were going to mass produce them to make the value of them drop. And they started to do that with the multiple restocks and restocks and restocks. So now that there's multiple restocks of the shoe, now the value is not there so much and people aren't grabbing them like that. I mean, I'll post them in my Discord, I'll post them in my group chats. Nobody bites. One or two people might say something after the fact, like, yo, I need a Panda. Okay, what size? They either don't reply, or the next time I'm out and I show a Panda, nobody says nothing. So it's kind of like iffy on the whole Panda situation, man. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, oh wow, how did I get back here? Okay. Yeah, I mean, I feel it's an overrated shoe in a sense because it's just a black and white dunk. It's a black and white basic shoe. But you know what? I'm not gonna put on a tinfoil hat. I'm not gonna do that. But them black and white colors are very eye catching and addicting, just like the Foot Locker stripes on the referee, or the referee Foot Locker, the black and white stripes. You always got to go to that store, man. Something about that black and white that just draws you in. So I think that's why people like black and white, the Panda. They try to do the Jordan 1 low Panda, the Jordan 1 mid Panda, the Jordan 1 high Panda, because they understand that black and white shoe, the duality of that shoe, just really draws people in. If you've never been drawn in, you're going to get drawn in at some point. Something about that black and white, that checkered black and white that people tend to love. You either love it or you hate it. If you love it, you really love it. You bought 2 pair. You know what I mean? That black and white colorway is bananas right now. And you can match it. You can definitely match it with anything. You can definitely match it with like pretty much anything out there. So, I mean, it makes sense. You've seen people wearing them for formal situations, casual situations. You definitely can wear them for whatever you would like to wear them for.